whispered where shadows creep. Oh, Cardinal, high, where you go, through the wild winds, through the snow. Your red ignites the branches bare, a fleeting fire beyond compare. Oh, oh. Echoes fall through tangled trees. Your call sways softly with the breeze. Dissonant strings hum deep below. A reggae beat starts to grow. Oh, Cardinal, high, where do you go? Through the wild winds, through the snow. Your red ignites the branches bare, a fleeting fire beyond compare. Feathers dance like amber sparks, lighting up the twilight dark. A rhythm flows, a bassline true. The wild is yours, the sky so blue. Sing to the night, break the chain, wash the earth with your refrain. Let guitars clash and beats collide, a rebel's anthem free and untied.